Each lot of food material or product should have a unique identification number, and this number must be recorded and documented at all stages. There are many ways to come up with this number. Often the number will be an aggregate of various other numbers, each with their own meaning. For example, one part of the number may be unique to that particular stage of the process, but the other parts of the number will have carried over from an earlier stage in the process, such as a lot number or batch number. These numbers are generally created electronically and are used as barcodes. However, there are many other methods that can be used to create and track this unique identification number. How you create and track your unique identification number will be up to you and will include considerations of your internal processes and systems. Another aspect of traceability that should be considered are how your processes interact with the product and its components. For example, depending on the risks involved with your processes, you may also want to trace back to what silo was used, or which piece of equipment was used, or what production line was used, or what shift the product was made in, or what packaging was used, or even what personnel handled the product.